Get up.
Why?
I want to go ride the baby motorcycle.
Why?
I want to go ride it.
Why?
For fun.
It's after 9.
I don't care.
It's dark outside.
I don't care.
Let's
It's going out of focus. Oh boy. Let's go. Get up.
No!
Hello. I am 20 pounds over the weight limit. What? What?
Oh, lizard? Did I hurt him? Did I hurt him? Did I hurt him?
Baby! I thought I ran over him.
Pick him up.
Oh my gosh, that made my heart hurt. I felt so bad for him, I thought I ran over him.
Hey, that looks like the one we let go.
His heart is beating like crazy.
Oh my gosh, that's scary.
You're mean. No, I'm not. I feel bad.
Oh, we know you're not a sociopath.
Hi, my friend.
I almost ran into the grass because I couldn't turn.
That's not good. My armpits hurt from exercising. Alright, now let's go back.
It's tiny.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Double or nothing, eh? It's like sprinkling right now. Hi.
Hi.
Noah, are you having fun?
Let's hope you drive off the edge and do a jump over that and crash.
That was fun. Come back!
What did it do?
Stalled. Where's the electric one? Just push it.